Today on Chloe's Unbox. Dear Chloe, I lost my dad when I was 5 years old. I have 7 siblings, so basically my mom went through hell just to raise us all. So when our eldest sister reached the age of 13, she saw life struggle with everything that our mom has to endure just to give us a life that she wanted for us, and it wasn't enough. That's why my sister and mom helped each other. My eldest sister worked abroad at the age of 14 just for us to survive. She set aside all her happiness, school, love life, etc., just to give everything we wanted. And yes, she and mom succeeded. They were able to brought us to good schools with yaya, helpers, drivers, etc. Name all the gadgets in store. We are certainly updated. When I was 24 years old, I had a child with a Nigerian, and she couldn't accept the fact that I, of all her siblings, would do such thing because she's really counting on me when it comes to our business and everything. As they call it, I am the katiwaldas and kanang kamay. That's why I did what I had to do. I chose my family over the father of my son because it was against all odds. 2011, when I met my husband now, he's a Filipino. We got married because they saw pure intention and love from him. But when my husband and I were already together, I still had to serve them because during the time I was pregnant with my son, they were with me from feeding bottles to hospital bills. To make it short, I am buried in debt to her. That's why when she had a problem with her husband, we moved here in the US with my family and children. And now she wants us to settle with them. And I like her idea too. But there are things my husband doesn't like. He told me I am treating his balls as small as a nut or as small as nuts because we are just living in my family's shadow. I even told him to leave his job and just be my guide at work rather than having a driver and all. So here now is the problem. We knew each other's behavior because we're all living under one roof. Now I feel like I have to choose between my husband and my family because my husband wants us to fly back home and have our own life, but I promised my sister to be with her and the children. Please, Chloe, what should I do? Thank you. Letter sender Jane. Hi, Jane. From what I know, God designed marriage to be for a man and a woman only, a husband and a wife. And for this, a man should leave his mother and father and be with his wife, diba? Leave and cleave. You have to leave your family and cleave with your spouse. Yon ang pagkakaalam ko. I understand that you have so much love for your siblings because of the fact na magkakasama kayo sa hirap at ginhawa at naghirap siya kasama ang mother mo to raise all his siblings. Does that mean you have to repay her all your life? Hindi ba pwedeng magkaroon naman ng expiration date? Ang pagbabayad ng utang na loob? Hindi mo naman siya ikakat sa buhay mo. You will still be there. It's just that nag-asawa ka namili ka rin. Nag-asawa ka, bumubuo ka ng pamilya, sila yung priority mo. Diba? Because if that was what you have all agreed na habang buhay, talagang kayo-kayo lang, dapat hindi ka na lang nag-consider na magpakasal. Your husband wants to fly back to the Philippines to have a normal life with you. Ayaw mo rin ba ng ganon? Don't you want that? For yourself, for your own family as well? Madali lang naman solusyonan to Sit down with your sister, your siblings, and tell them and make them understand that you are already married and you have your own family to consider and prioritize. Dapat ikaw mismo alam mo to But that doesn't mean that you're not family anymore. Usap lang talaga ang katapat nito lahat. Never assume that they already know what you have in your heart and mind. Wala namang hindi nadadala sa maayos na usapan. Basta para sa akin, priority mo na talaga pamilya mo. So, kasal ka sa asawa mo Doon ka talaga sasama. But I understand naman, di ba may kasabihan nga yan? Blood is thicker than water. But the family that you will create or you are creating is the most important, or it's much more important than the family that you came from. Tama ba ako? Do I make sense? Kasi you have decided to have a life with another person. Ayun lang. Mahirap talaga yan. Yeah. Kasi may paniniwala din tayo na at the end of the day, pamilya natin sasambot sa atin. Especially pag hindi nag-work out ang relationship mo sa asawa mo. But since you got married, usap lang talaga katapat niya. You have to make them understand that you already have a family na binubuo. And ikaw rin, tanungin mo sarili mo, ano ba talaga ang gusto mo? Sabi mo, you also like the idea na doon ka sa US kasama sila. Bakit naman nag-asawa ka pa kung yung pala yung gusto mo na magkakasama kayo, di ba? Parang unfair naman sa asawa mo. Unless otherwise, you can convince your husband na magiging mas okay kayo sa US. At magkakasama na kayo doon at doon din siya maganap ng trabaho. So yeah, pag-isipan mong mabuti at timbangin mo. Kasi mahirap din ma-offend yung siblings mo. Usapan lang yan. Walang nadadala sa mabuting usapan, sabi ko nga. O masinsinan at maayos na usapan. Thank you so much, Miss Jane, for your letter. So yeah, God bless you.
Hey, thanks for watching.
For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.